Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a background color for this. We're going to also set up the registration table, but right now the background is so bad. It's just simple. I said I was going to keep this website simple, but this is too simple for me. Um, we're going to remove this background color because I don't like how this looks right now. So I have added an image. This image, we're going to use this image for the background. So let's go to our main.css. We're going to remove the font size, and we're going to do background URL, and we're going to go back at the directory img slash bg.png. If we save this, it's gonna show, but it's gonna show something different. You see this, it cuts off the image here, then it repeats itself. We don't want that, and the best way to remove this is by doing background size and cover, and save this, go back, and voila, pretty cool. We also want to remove the background for the head. You can save this, and now that we have that, let me just refresh. Now that we have that, we want to set up a right and left body. So inside the main body, you want to create two more divs. The first div is going to be the left body, and then in the second div is going to be right body. Whoa. Alright. What the heck? Sorry guys. Alright guys, so I have set my left body and right body. Now we have to go to the main.css, and under main body we want to do left body. We want to have a width of 600 pixels. The height for right now is going to be 500. This is going to change, and we're going to give it a background color of black. Don't worry guys, the height and the background color are going to change. This is just for testing. So right background. Oh, we forgot to put a float. So float left, and let me just copy all this and change this to 4 and this to right. So if we save this, let me see. Yep, if we save this also, we go to our browser, you can see this is the right, this is the left, and this is the right. So the website looking pretty good. Now we have to set up the registration right here. So we go to index.php, and in the right body we're gonna set up a form. The action is gonna be index.php. The method is gonna be post, and we're gonna close off the form here. We're gonna do a table to keep everything organized, and inside table we're gonna create table rows so everything can be nice and organized. So just let me copy this about 4 more times. Let me just space it. Alright, whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's about good enough. Whoop. Alright, so now that we have our table, inside this first table row, we wanna do a label tag, and then we wanna put email, no, first name here, and inside here we want to put input type equals text. The name is going to be F name, and no, it's not the bad word, it's just F name. And the closing tag. Inside here we're going to do another label, and the closing label, actually I did it backwards. I did the closing label first, and this is going to be last name, and input type equals text, and the name is going to be L name. What the heck am I doing? L name, and the closing tag. For the third table row, we're gonna put in email. So inside here we want to put input. What the heck? Sorry if I'm typing wrong or pressing the wrong keys. Input text equals. See, I'm all out of it. Input type equals text. I had too much coffee. Sorry for that. The name is gonna be email, and we're gonna close that. Inside here, what else did we have? First name, last name, email, and password. So input type equals password. It's not text, it's password, and the name is gonna be password. We're gonna close it here, and for the last one we're not gonna put anything here. We're just gonna put something, and type equals submit. I'm gonna give it a name of submit and a value of register. Let me just close this, and if we save this and go to a browser and refresh, you see our tables right here, but you can't see the words because they are black. So we're just gonna go to our main CSS. Actually, first we're gonna give it the form an ID of our form. Save this, go to our main.css, and under right body, our form, and we're gonna give a margin top of, let's see, like 40 pixels. 40 pixels. What else? Margin left of 150 pixels, and a color white. Save this, go to our form, a browser, refresh, and this is 2 to the left, so we're going to change this to 100. Alright, so it's looking pretty good. If you want right now, you can go to your, you can delete this and save it. Now go here, voila.